prices in Annapolis rose overall 7.1% year to date. Guess which zip code had the biggest rise in prices in Annapolis this year? It's Friday, March 15th, 2024, and Annapolis is kicking off their big St. Patrick's all-weekend celebration today, as you can tell from my wearing of the green. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Drum roll, please. If you guessed 21401, you are correct. 21401 rose 17.1%, while 21403 fell 4.4%, and 21409 is up 3.3% year to date. Home prices are predicted to continue rising while inventory remains slim at 93 homes for sale. Of those, 4 are under $300,000 and 33 are over $1 million. Rentals rose to 41 for $3,200 per month. If you haven't yet heard about the proposed legislation HB 1515, sales tax on services that could not only impact the housing market in a negative way, but create a burden on lots of small and micro businesses statewide, be sure to watch my video, see the link, and contact your legislator to urge a vote of no. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 15th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.